हाँ जी बच्चों, गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल. होप यू आर डूइंग वेल. And we were doing the writing essays like in this series. We started with opinion essay, discussion essay, and advantage disadvantage essay. Then we reached up to causes and solution essay. Now our next topic is the direct question essay. So I'm expecting that you are just sitting in your homes with a notebook with you. तो ਤੁਸੀਂ notebook ਲੈਣੀ ਆ, ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਲਿਖਵਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਉਦਾਂ ਲਿਖਣਾ ਹੈ. And this essay type you are going to do in the next week. Okay, every day you will be getting this similar essay type. Okay, for your practice. So the question today is the direct question essay. So what is different in this essay? Let me explain that first. Then I will explain this statement which is written like here on the board. तो हजे तुसी इन्हों नहीं पढ़ना, मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਹਜੇ ਫਿਲਹਾਲ ਐਕਸਪਲੇਨ ਕਰਦਾ ਕਿ ਆਪਣੇ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਐਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਰੈਕਗਨਾਈਜ਼ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਰਨਾ, ਹਾਊ ਟੂ ਰੈਕਗਨਾਈਜ਼ ਦ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਐਸੇ ਐਂਡ ਵਾਟ ਇਜ਼ ਦ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਸ ਬਿਟਵੀਨ ਅਦਰ ਐਸੇਜ਼ ਐਂਡ ਦ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਐਸੇ. ਫਰਸਟਲੀ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਆਲਰੇਡੀ ਦੱਸਿਆ that we have the very first part in the IELTS question of essay, that is your statement, or you can say that information. Then later on we have some instructions. Okay, so in the statement part we will have any kind of statement that it can be the view of people, it can be the ongoing trend, like some people think that this and this and this. Later on instructions here, like unlike the other essays ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਕੀ instructions ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਸੀ, do you agree or disagree with this statement? In opinion essay, discuss both these views and give your opinion. In discussion essay, and what are the causes and solutions for this particular ongoing trend, so that became causes solution essay. But here what is different in this type is that instructions की जगह पे बेटा we will be having the questions. एक hardcore questions ही होंगे साडे कोले, प्रश्न ही पूछेगा. This statement can be about anything, कुछ भी चीज के बारे हो सकती है, but our answer will explain about the answer of this particular question which is given in the instructions. I hope you are understanding. One more thing I want to discuss with you. If you have any doubt in your mind, you can directly ask in the live chat. I'm sitting there with you people while this premiere is going on. मैं उत्थे ही बैठा हूँगा और ਤੁਹਾਡੇ live chat ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ questions ਦੇ answer मैं ਨਾਲ ਦੀ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਰਹਾਂਗਾ, ठीक है? So I'm expecting that you are if you are having any doubt you are asking in the live chat. Chalo, so this is these there can be 2 questions, 3 questions, 4 questions also in this sample. Sample de here, like this statement is given to us. So firstly we note the keywords of our statement. Here the keywords are that some people think that money, this is the keyword, money is one of the most essential factors towards happiness. It means we have 2 important keywords here, money and happiness, which are interrelated to each other. ये कहना कि money बहुत ही important factor है अगर तुझे खुश होना है, happiness चाहिए तुम्हें. So simply money is one of the most essential factors towards happiness. And now the question it asks, ये सारे instructions ने how to deal with the whole essay. इस स्टेटमेंट ਦਾ ਕੰਮ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਸਿਰਫ ਇਹ ਜਸਟ ਇੱਕ ਬੈਕਗ੍ਰਾਉਂਡ ਲਾਈਨ ਹੈ, ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਡੀਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ, ਅਨਲਾਈਕ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਐਸੇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸੇ ਸਟੇਟਮੈਂਟ ਨਾਲ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਡੀਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ? ਬਟ ਹੇਅਰ ਵੀ ਹੈਵ ਟੂ ਐਕਸਪਲੇਨ ਦ ਗਿਵਨ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਮੋਰ. ਦ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਇਜ਼, ਡੂ ਯੂ ਥਿੰਕ ਪੀਪਲ ਕੈਨ ਬੀ ਹੈਪੀ ਵਿਦਆਊਟ ਮਚ ਮਨੀ? ਮਤਲਬ ਸਾਡਾ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਕੀ ਪੁੱਛਦਾ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ, ਡੂ ਯੂ ਥਿੰਕ, ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਆਸਕਿੰਗ ਫॉर योर ओपिनियन, डू यू थिंक दैट पीपल कैन बी हैप्पी, लोग खुश हो सकते हैं without much money? They can be happy or they cannot. It is your choice. You have to write your own opinion whether they can be happy or they cannot be happy. If they have little amount of money, they are not having much money. The second question it asks about what other factors contribute toward happiness. It is not asking you that are there other factors existing or not. ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੁੱਛ ਰਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਹੋਰ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਫੈਕਟਰ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਨਹੀਂ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਡਿਨਾਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਅਦਰ ਫੈਕਟਰਸ ਤਾਂ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ. Here you have to give some factors that what other factors contribute जेडे other का मतलब क्या है which are not money मनी तो अलावा केड़े दूसरे फैक्टर्स ने which are contributing towards happiness वो बड़े फैक्टर्स दसने ने so now let's talk about the structure of this essay then we will start writing this essay okay now the structure of this essay will be having introduction paragraph as we all know intro then body paragraph BP1 and BP2 and the conclusion but here we are going to make 3 body paragraphs और जब आप body paragraphs लिखांगे उधर मैं तुम्हें explain करांगे असी क्यों बना रहे हैं 3 body paragraphs so here we will be making 3 body paragraphs as we all know that in introduction paragraph we have to do the paraphrasing at first paraphrasing किस चीज दी करनी है असी this statement which is written above here that some people think that money is one of the most essential factors towards happiness that is going to be the paraphrasing of this that we will be writing here and the answers to these 2 questions will become our thesis statement here we call it thesis statement तो साडा thesis statement इना दोनों क्वेश्चंस का आंसर ही होएगा I think the things are getting clear okay now the body paragraph 1 will be having the answer of question number 1 let us say this is question number 1 and this is question number 2 that do you think people can be happy without much money question number 1 what other factors contribute towards happiness is question number 2 so the answer of question number 1 and the explanation of the question number 1 will be given in your BP1 and the answer and explanation of question number 2 will be given in the BP2 and why we have written BP3 because हम देख लो BP3 अपन लिखा क्यों है because here it has asked factors so that is your choice if you are having like enough arguments for your paragraph you can make 2 body paragraphs also it is not like mandatory for you to make 3 body paragraphs for this particular essay so now you can make 2 body paragraphs also agar tusi like do you think people can be happy actually here we are having the question jida koi ekko hi argument banega na whether yes I am agree whether you can say that yes no people cannot be happy with money so here we are having only one argument or the explanation hai which will be given in the paragraph तो here this paragraph will be shorter ठीक है तो here अगर ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀ argument ਦਵਾਂਗੇ तो all the 3 paragraphs should be like somewhat equal in the size ना approximately so that is why we have made 3 body paragraphs ਇੱਥੇ ਅਸੀਂ factors ਇੱਕ factor ਆਪਣਾ one factor we will be having in body paragraph 2 and other factor we will be having in body paragraph 3 ये भी question 2 ਦਾ ਹੀ answer is it clear so now this is question 1 this is question 1 and the answer is explained in the body paragraph 1 and the question number 2 is explained in both the body paragraph 2 and body paragraph 3 and the sum of these all paragraphs or the arguments will be given in the thesis statement so that we'll see while we are writing so while writing this essay we will always consider the 4 parameters which are task response lexical resources grammatical range accuracy and the coherence and cohesion so these are 4 parameters which we will be considering while writing this essay okay so now let's start with the introduction paragraph so here for writing introduction paragraph firstly we have to paraphrase the statement so what is written here some people think that money is one of the most essential factors towards happiness beta agar ਅਸੀਂ simple language ਚ ਸਮਝੇ ਕਿ money ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ important factor ਆ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਉਣ ਚ ਲਾਈਫ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ तो इस ਗੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਵੀ ਤਾਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ just to show our flexibility in English language we can write here that money is considered by many people to be one of the contributing factors towards happiness. Our main focus is on the keywords which we noted here: money and happiness. So the same thing we have written but in our own words. So this is called paraphrasing. Paraphrasing मतलब same गल नहीं कहनी but दूसरे शब्द में कहनी है, ठीक है? Money is considered by many people to be one of the important contributing factors towards happiness. Now we have to write a thesis statement. As I told you, in thesis statement we will be writing the answer of these two questions. और आंसर लिखने का मतलब ये नहीं कि फुल फ्लैश्ड आंसर लिख देना, दैट विल बी एग्जिस्टिंग द बॉडी पैराग्राफ्स, है ना? अगर ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਆंसਰ ਪੂਰੇ ਦਾ ਪੂਰਾ ਦੇ ਦਾਂਗੇ ਫਿਰ ਬॉडी पैराग्राफ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਕੀ ਹੈ? We have to give just the like glimpse of the answers. ਆਪਾਂ just इतना कहना कि yes people can be happy without much money, ठीक है? या फिर no, whatever your answer is. And yes, the other contributing factors also existing in towards happiness instead of money. Okay, only will be giving the answer of these two questions in a single line. Okay, so let's see how we write the thesis statement of this. तो हम लिखने लिए इसी बोलेंगे थे, in my opinion, why I have written in my opinion, because it is asking you here. Do you think? So I'm saying that in my opinion, I think that in my opinion it is possible. It is possible for people to be happy even if they have little money. Yes, this is the answer. So this is the answer to very first question. Do you think people can be happy without much money? So this question's answer becomes, in my opinion, it is possible for people to be happy even if they have little money. Without much money means they are having little money, still they can be happy. We will not be proofing this. ठीक है? Proof नहीं करने लग जाना. We will not give proofs for this that yes people can be happy, or we will not give examples in the very first paragraph. That work we are going to do in the ongoing body paragraphs. Okay, so now later on we are going to write the question, the answer of this second question, which is we are going to merge these two statements, that and other aspects of life can play a more vital role in creating happiness. So this becomes our whole introduction paragraph. The thesis statement, which is not a crammed line, but we have answered the given two questions, and the very paraphrasing, which is the whole paraphrasing of this particular statement which is given above. Yes, till now we have learned about the introduction paragraph. Hope the things are clear. अगर किसी को भी कोई चीज का doubt है तो you can comment below and you can ask in the live chat also. ठीक है? तो your doubt will be clear as far as I just read your doubt. ठीक है? So it will be like make clear very quickly. Okay. So now we have started here with the body paragraph 1. In the body paragraph, I told you, body paragraph 1, I told you we will be answering the question number 1, which is, do you think people can be happy even if they have little amount of money, if they are not having much money? So, can they be happy? So, ਅਸੀਂ अपने answers to thesis statement ਅਸੀਂ already बोला है कि yes, they can be happy even if they are having a very little amount of money. So, now we will be justifying that particular thought which we have given in the thesis statement ਉਹਨੂੰ justify ਕਰਵਾਉਣਾ ਸੀ body paragraph 1 ਚ ਪਰ body paragraph 1 start ਕਰਨ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ as we have learned in other essay sessions also that we have to make a link in the very first paragraph of the body तो link ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਆਪਾਂ coherence ਬਣਾਣੀ ਹੈ ਆਪਾਂ introduction paragraph ਦੀ then body paragraph 1 ਦੀ so here the link we have made although having money brings happiness to a lot of people this is what this is the similar statement which is given above that money is one of the most essential factors towards happiness although having money brings happiness to a lot of people this is a re-paraphrasing of the very statement given in the question तो ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਬਣਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ link so here we have made a link after this comma we are giving an argument that it does not necessarily follow that people could not be happy without money ਇਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਲੋਕ ਮਨੀ ਤੋਂ ਬਿਨਾ ਖੁਸ਼ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਰਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ so this is our argument now to explain the argument we need some supportive arguments or supportive ideas और इन्हों support भी तो करना है that how the reader will be agree with us है ना ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ ਕਹਿ ਤਾਂ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਕਿ ਹਾਂ ਲੋਕ ਖੁਸ਼ ਰਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ even if they are not having money but reader will understand our thought our idea if we are giving a proper appropriate example or appropriate result of our argument ठीक है So as we have discussed that एक line साड़ी होनी चाहिए the very first sentence उन्हों पर topic sentence भी बोलते हैं which will connect us with the previous paragraph or the ongoing particular thought or idea upon which we have got this essay. So that is that money brings happiness to a lot of people. That we have mentioned. जुड़ गया ऊपर. Then later on it does not necessarily follow that. So this is an expression. Either the expressions to see as it is you can use in your writing. It does not necessarily follow that. मतलब ਇਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਕਿ ठीक है it does not necessarily follow that people could not be happy without money so this is our argument ਇਹ ਸਾਡਾ argument ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿ ਲੋਕ ਖੁਸ਼ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਰਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਇਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਲੋਕ ਬਿਨਾ money ਤੋਂ ਵੀ they can be happy so we have taken an example of developing country the people in developing countries ठीक है or the emerging economies that take for example the comparison between developed and developing countries ਅਸੀਂ comparison ਲਿਆ the comparison between developed and developing countries most people in developing countries are happier खुश ज़्यादा ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ happier happiest so it means whenever we compare two things we just take the second degree of adjective that is happier enjoy stronger family connections and take more pleasure in simplicities of life to a greater extent than those in developed countries developed countries ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਲੋਕ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੈਪੀਅਰ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਸਟਰੋਂਗਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਕਨੈਕਸ਼ਨਸ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਔਰ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਗ੍ਰੇਟਰ ਐਕਸਟੈਂਟ ਤੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਲਾਈਫ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਪਲੇਜ਼ਰ ਨੂੰ ਸਿੰਪਲਿਸਿਟੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਇੰਜੋਏ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਕੰਪੇਅਰ ਟੂ the people living in developed countries so with this comparison we have proved our point that it does not necessarily follow that people could not be happy without ठीक है this is the very first body paragraph for this essay हाँ जी बच्चे पहला ਆਪਾਂ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ introduction paragraph paraphrasing thesis statement फिर ਆਪਾਂ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ body paragraph 1 ਕਿਦਾਂ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ we just gave an argument which was the answer of this very first question then we just justified that particular answer argument with an example so now we have reached up to the body paragraph 2 here again we are having the very first sentence which is firstly joining us connecting us with the above question so now as I told you in the body paragraph 2 and 3 I am going to explain the second question number 2 this will be the answer of body paragraph 2 and 3 so now we have to connect our argument with this particular question that what factors contribute towards happiness so one way people can gain happiness is this one way that people can gain happiness it means one factor is their work पहला factor की है उनका काम so this whole paragraph is about work how work can give people happiness even if they are not earning or having money in return. मनी तो है भी नहीं चाहे या फिर मनी तो अलावा दूसरा फैक्टर की है कम. That for instance, doctors doing volunteer work in underdeveloped countries. Underdeveloped countries are those which are very poor. ठीक है, living in penury. So underdeveloped countries not to have monetary benefits but to get reward of helping. तो की मिलता है ना reward मिलता है. Not to have monetary money नहीं मिलती. Not to have monetary benefits but to get reward of helping people doing job they are. एक तो उन्होंने reward मिलता, दूसरा they are doing job they are good at. They are doing job they are good at. Brings happiness itself. ये अपने आप ही उन्होंने लाइफ happiness ले आता. और last sentence which is again further support to this sentence, that in other words, like here we are taking example of doctors, but what about the other professions that we have explained in the next sentence, that in other words happiness can be found by using skills the people are trained for, using skills people are trained for, and through job satisfaction. So job satisfaction is connecting us with rewards, and skills are connecting us job they are good at. So our next paragraph, next sentence is having a connection with the previous sentence, which is called a cohesion. So here again we are having a link. Now जी आप पहुंच गए हम third body paragraph पे, which is the last body paragraph. I told you that the second this question will be having two paragraphs, body paragraph 2 and body paragraph 3. तो दूसरे क्वेश्चन पर दो पैराग्राफ से आंसर करना है. क्यों? इट वाज आस्किंग अबाउट द फैक्टर्स. एक फैक्टर ਅਸੀਂ एक्सप्लेन कर चुके बॉडी पैराग्राफ 2 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, that was work. आर्गुमेंट देता ਉਹਦੇ सपोर्ट देते. ਹੁਣ अगेन we are having an argument. Finally ਇਸ हम ਦੱਸ ਰਹੇ रिटर्न ਦੱਸ ਰਹੇ, this is a very last paragraph and you are recommended to make maximum 3 body paragraphs only. 4 body paragraphs नहीं बनाने से, because we are writing only 250 words है ना, तो 3 body paragraphs तो ज्यादा नहीं बनाने चाहिए और 2 तो काट दिए. So another factor influencing happiness. This is what another factor. It is connecting us with the question. भाई और क्या factor है? Another factor influencing happiness is having supportive and loving people in one's life. So this is the another factor. दूसरा factor क्या है? पहला factor सीखा work, दूसरा factor है loving and caring people around you. तो ਇਹਦੀ सपोर्ट भी देनी पैनी है in one's life. मतलब किसी भी बंदे ਦੀ लाइफ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ अगर loving और supporting लोग हैगे ने, it means he will be happy. Now we are supporting this particular line with, while money may bring opportunities to enjoy pleasure. चाहे मनी थोड़े बहुत opportunities like may शायद ले आवे opportunities एक बंदे ਦੀ लाइफ ਚ, only few people would enjoy them on their own. तो ओनली फ्यू पीपल ही एंजॉय करेंगे उस हैप्पीनेस में. ऐसी हैप्पीनेस का क्या फायदा जिसको बहुत थोड़े से लोग एंजॉय कर सकते हैं. However, I told you many times, I have told you that however we write when we have to write a contrast, है ना, ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ कुछ opposite लिखना, then we write however or whereas. So here we are writing however, being surrounded by loving and caring family is considered by most people. So here only few people are enjoying. Here most people will consider it to be more valuable than any amount of money. So here we have seen that कि एक negative result देता और तो बाद एक positive result देता, which is supporting. दोनों lines ultimately support साडे argument ਨੂੰ ही कर रही हैं. These two lines are the supportive lines. ठीक है, एक जैसे बोलता कि money थोड़े ਜਿਹੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਦੇਗੀ, and फिर ਅਸੀਂ बोलता कि अगर बंदे ਦੀ लाइफ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ अच्छे caring और loving ਲੋਕ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ, then most people appreciate that. Most people consider it to be more valuable than any amount of money. Means चाहे ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕੋਲੇ money ਦਾ छोटा ਜਿਹਾ amount ही क्यों ना होवे, money होवे या ना होवे, doesn't matter. They are enjoying their family connections. So it means if they are having loving people in their life, then also they will be happy. If they are having a work in which they are good at and they are getting a job satisfaction, then they are also will be happy, whether they are having money or not. और फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जैसे जाता कि people can be happy without money, because we can see many examples of the developing countries, of the poor people living under the penury, that they are still be happy. It not important to be happy. Okay, so now we are reached up to the conclusion part of this essay. Yes, students, we have learned about the direct question essay. We just wrote the introduction paragraph, paraphrasing thesis statement. We had two questions. One question we answered in the very first body paragraph, and the rest of the question, which was about what other aspects are there, other factors contributing towards happiness, that we have answered in body paragraph 2 and body paragraph 3. So now we are left with the conclusion. So in conclusion, what we write? We do not write any new argument firstly. So we write the arguments which we have given already in the body paragraph. The similar arguments we will just use as the keywords for the very last paragraph, which is conclusion. Here we will write, in conclusion, money is not essential. How we got to know money is not essential for happiness? So how we got to know? Because in body paragraph 2 we have given the whole proof of this thing that money is not essential for happiness. So इधर ले ਅਸੀਂ proof already body paragraph 1 से दे चुके हैं, ठीक है? So the similar thought, similar idea we are just mentioning here. Money is not essential for happiness, comma, which can be found, the other factors found, which can be found through job satisfaction, कुछ याद आ रहा है कितने लिखे job satisfaction? We have mentioned in the body paragraph 2. So this is the body paragraph 2's keyword. So can be found through job satisfaction as well as family. The happiness can be found through job satisfaction as well as through family, which we have discussed in the body paragraph 3. So Atin is not essential, body paragraph 1 the keyword, job satisfaction body paragraph 2 the keyword, and family body paragraph 3 the keyword. So it is very easy approach to write this essay. So now we are left with the very last sentence of this essay where we comment something. So to whom we will comment? The group now which can implement our ideas. Who can implement our ideas? Obviously the people. So we will write, if more people strived in life towards true happiness rather than money, the world would be a better place. The world would be a better place. So this is whole we have learned in this essay session. So I hope that you have understood all the things. If the things are not clear, you can share your doubts in the comment box, and also you can share live in the chat. I will be answering your doubts while this video will be premiering. And also, if you are having any confusion, you can WhatsApp me. Also, you have my contact. And this essay is rare for your exam. Otherwise, usually the exam is having the opinion essay and discussion essays, advantage disadvantage essays more. So this essay is rare, but if this type of essay comes in your essay, you have to know how to deal with this particular type of question. So hope the things are clear to you, and best wishes from my side, and thank you very much.